Race. Race. Baby. Race. Okay man eh.
Word po yun. So, ibig sabihin po ng Cebu, lake. So, yung dalawang word po, isa lang pong meaning nun. So, lake po yun. So, redundant lang po. So, Lake Cebu is very blessed with the 3 lakes. So, yung unang lake na nadaanan nyo po along the highway po, yun, paakyat po dito. Yun po ang Lake Lahit. Yung Lake Lahit po ang pinakamaliit na lake. So, may lawak lang po doon na 24 hectares lang po. And then yung pangalawang lake po is located at the top of falls number 1. So yun po ang Lake Saloton. Yung Lake Saloton po ang pinakamalalim na lake. So may lalim po doon na 200 feet deep approximately. And then may lawak po doon na 48 hectares. So nandito po kayo ngayon sa pinakamalawak na lake. Ito po ang Lake Cebu. So may lawak po itong Lake Cebu na 354 hectares. And then ang pinakamalalim na portion po nitong lake is located at the front of Punta Isla po kanina. Sa may bandang gitna po doon, may lalim po doon na 180 feet deep approximately or 60 meters po doon po na portion. So dito po na portion, may lalim po dito na nasa 140 feet deep approximately. So yung mga boxes po sa paligid, yan po yung mga cultured na tilapia. Sa isang box po ng fish cage, may laman po yan na nasa 1,000 to 1,500 fingerlings or similya po ng tilapia. Sa pagpapakain po ng tilapia, 3 times a day po yun. So umaga, tanghali, and then hapon po. So parang tao lang din po. So ang kaibahan lang po natin, wala na po silang snacks or merienda. So yun po. And then ang harvest time, 4 to 6 months. So 4 to 6 months, may regular sizes na po yun na 3 to 4 pieces in 1 kilo. Pero nakadepende pa rin po yun sa pagpapakain po ng tilapia. So dito po sa the first Bali musical instrument, we called it kumbing or a bamboja harp. They usually played it during eclipse time to call the moonlight back. The spirit of kumbing is deep there under the earth and deep up to the sky. So ladies and gentlemen, the sound of kumbing.
Game na. Hindi naman. Pineapple na ako.
So that was the sound of kumbing. And the next Bali musical instrument, we called it salali or a bamboo flute. The Bali played salali to express loneliness, especially when you are far from your loved ones, families, and friends. So that was the sound of salali. And the last Bali musical instrument, we called it a nanggong or a sacred drum, made from a skin of a deer, played to sacrifice during wedding ceremonies, festivals, and rituals. So ngayon naman po, some of the Tabali dances. So the first dance, we called it Madal Taho or a throw dance. This dance is imitated from Baay Canaban. So Baay Canaban po is the sister of the Tabali legendary hero named Tut Bulun. So ladies and gentlemen, the Madal Taho. Okay, that was the Madal Taho or a throw dance. And the last dance, we called it Madal Mit Mata. This dance is to express the feelings of a woman towards a man. Okay, that was the Madal Mit Mata. So that was the end of our cultural presentation. So Ma'am and Sir, maybe you are wondering, bakit ko po hinahawakan yung drum before and after I perform po? Because we believe po as a Tabali that every of our musical instrument have their own spirit owner. So yung touching, that is the sign of respect po namin yun sa aming mga instrument. So Ma'am and Sir, so dito po na portion, dito na po yung pinaka-the best spot po for picture taking. So bibigyan po namin kayo ng time para magpa-picture po sa paligid. And then later on po, meron po kaming maliit na box place on your table. So heartily given lang po yun sa gustong mag-share po ng kanilang blessings. So enjoy the rest of the tour.